Alright, since the guys voted, Pickle, Peanut, Lenny, Scissors from Bob the Objects, and Capone and Bombing say all have 0 votes. Lisa Gaming Roblox has only 1 vote, but Robot Chicken has only 2 votes each. Wow, thank you so much everyone, and now he's gonna kill next. Robot Chicken, I can't stand your show being disgusting. That's it. I'll put an end to you for good, you stupid chicken robot. Well, chicken doesn't talk, so goodbye forever.
I'm a fire in my laser!
Yes, no more Robot Chicken characters. So Robot Chicken is dead. No! 2 down, 7 more to go, and vote for who you think Jimmy Neutron should kill next. Voting ends 8 p.m.